Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can able to make a streaming API call within Amazon Bedrock. So first understand why even this is important. So streaming response are useful when you want to start streaming content immediately to the end user. You can display the output in a few words at a time, and instead of waiting for that entire response to be created, right? So this is primarily more like if you were building a chatbot and you wanted to respond then and without, and the chatbot is responding in a chunk. Okay, so let's get started and how you able to make it. So first thing you will be looking to do is we are looking to import the Boto 3. So that is allow you to make an API call to the Amazon Bedrock. Once done, we will be creating the churn here. So we have creating churn functions. So we have created this churn churn handler. Thereafter we will be looking to make a call. We will be making to make an Amazon Bedrock streaming API call. So we will be using this convert stream functions to make a call to the streaming API endpoint, and once done, we will be getting as a response chunks are returned. So so let's see. Let me paste this code for you. So if you see here in this one here, we will be making this convert streaming that will help us to bring allow you to make a streaming API call to the Bedrock. Once done, we will be looking to display the response. So I will be going and providing this example as in prompt. Hey, tell me about this one, and then it will be generating the streaming response for it. So this will be my prompt, and this will be my functions which I have built, where I'm making the call to the converse streaming, right? And again, we are using this model called entropic. This is our inference. So this is our temperature. When we say temperature is 0, it means we are not looking any variance in our or any any variance in our response. So we wanted to have a very less change in the response. So, and then again we are making it call. So this way it will be responding in a chunking manner. Okay, so let's go and make a call. So I just let me save this and cd to let me get out from this folder. So let me cd to intro streaming, ls and Python, and I will be including this lab which I'm using to generate or to work on this one here. So if you see here now, it's being generating into chunk. So this way it will be very efficient if you're working on some kind of a real-time application and looking to get those response in a chunks. So this way user have not to wait for it to generate the entire response at a time. Hopefully this makes this video helpful for you to learn how to make. Just if you like this video, keep subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you very much.